Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious, quick and easy to make Kesar Elaichi Shrikhand. This is a quick dessert to make on this Janmashtami. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी गोड़िए देखिया चाहते देन तले थिबा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. To start with the recipe, first let's make the hung curd. Place a cotton or muslin cloth on a sieve over a bowl. On that add 1 cup of curd. Squeeze the excess water. Keep it in this position for 6 to 7 hours or overnight. In a blender jar, take 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, seeds of 1 green cardamom and blend finely. After 8 hours, water has released from curd. Our hung curd is ready. Take it out in a bowl. To that add the powdered sugar mixture and 1 tablespoon of saffron infused milk. Mix everything well. And our super smooth and creamy Shrikhand is ready. Pipe out or serve using spoon. Add chopped nuts on top and few strands of saffron. You can serve it this way or chill for 2 to 3 hours and then serve. And our delicious and creamy Kesar Elaichi Shrikhand is ready. This is perfect to have on any auspicious occasions. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.